we're here today to talk about this care package that I've received from Raw and Rugged. Now, if you've seen any of my previous videos, you will know I love their products. I've always bought them with my own cash, and I've provided great reviews on those products because I was delighted with the money I spent and the quality of product that I got from Raw and Rugged. Raw and Rugged have sent me this care package of Himalayan products. The thing that I was the most excited about, and it's because I've had 2 sets of these for the Interceptor, and I really wanted a set for the Himalayan as well, and I didn't really know if they actually made them for the Himalayan, so I was glad to confirm that they do. And I actually think I like these ones a little bit better than I like the Interceptor ones. These are the side panel bags. These are little bags that cover the side panels and provide just a little bit of storage. And they're a bit kind of TARDIS-like in a sense, because you can fit a lot more than you would think in them. So, you know, they look pretty small and neat and compact, but a decent sized pouch in the main bit. These ones also have this little pouch here, which has got a button closure, and you can get some more stuff in here. I don't like the big cumbersome luggage. I get it when you're going on tours and all that kind of stuff, but I'm not doing that. I'm jumping out, I'm hitting the back roads, and I'm out riding for maybe an hour or two. I'm commuting to work. I'm using the bike to nip down for a coffee while I'm working from home. I'm not out touring all day, and I like having simple, smart, small storage solutions that look really good, and that's exactly what these are. I think they look fantastic. I think they just give that kind of, it's a perfect name, Raw and Rugged look to the bike. You know, a little bit of that kind of dark leather, kind of traditional biker imagery. They're really kind of classic, subtle, understated look, and I just love them. I think they're fantastic. I like these a bit better than the Interceptor ones for one main reason. It's because these ones don't have the elasticated panels to stretch over the side panels and fit. What these do is they actually, I don't know if you can see it just right here, the original screws for the side panels, you take them out and you refit the side panels, but putting this on top and using the original screws. And here we can see them fitted to the bike. I think they look absolutely fantastic. I love that Raw and Rugged look they lend to the bike, and given a bit of storage in an area where you're not losing any space. It's not making the bike bulkier, it's not making the bike heavier, and it's dead space anyway. And for daily riding, commuting, etc., being able to put your phone, a couple of tools in there, keys, medicine, daily essentials, you can put in these bags and save you having to carry a backpack, or save taking up space in your luggage as well. So for people watching in the UK, you can order these from EnfieldAccessories.co.uk, and they are £59.99 for a pair, which for me is absolutely fantastic value for money. Other manufacturers make similar products and charge at least twice as much for them. So as far as I'm concerned, these are an absolute bargain. And they don't only make these side panel bags, so I would highly recommend jumping on Raw and Rugged's website and have a look at all the products. They make gloves, they make tank straps and bags, they make universal luggage, they make grip wraps, a number of different things. And from what the guys at Raw and Rugged are saying, they're only just getting started, and we can see they've been teasing motorcycle jackets and new luggage on their website and social medias as well. So I would highly recommend jumping on, having a look at their website, and let me know in the comments what you think of these side panel bags for the Himalayan. Do you own a Himalayan? Will you be picking up a pair of these? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you're riding, ride safe and have a great day. Cheers.